Okay, this is quiz number 22. So the idea is that we want to find, so we're going to find I0. So what's our strategy? Our strategy is that we need to create, circuit diagram in phasor domain, solve for I of t using just a Ohm's law, except for instead of a resistance, we're going to have an impedance, and then convert back to the time domain. So if we want to convert, first of all, to phasor domain, the voltage source, Vs, is going to go to 750 phase of 0 degrees. Notice we have the magnitude and no phase. Okay, and then we're going to have an impedance here. And the impedance is going to be, this Z impedance is going to include three different things. It's got to include the resistance, and then the inductance, and the capacitance. Okay, so the resistance is going to be 400. And then I'm going to have my inductor, remember, goes to J omega L. And then the capacitor goes to minus J over omega C. So this is going to be 400, and then we're going to have J, omega is equal to 5,000, L is equal to 40 milli, and C is equal to 0.4 micro. All right, so ladies, open up my computer. Sorry, I'm going to open up Python 3, and I'm going to type W equals 5,000, L equals 40 e to the minus 3, C equals 0.4 e to the minus 6, and then I'm going to do omega times L is 200. So this is going to be, sorry you couldn't see any of that. I was typing on my computer. So this is going to be 400 plus, and then omega, I get that omega L is equal to 200, so this is going to be plus J200. And then if I do omega times, 1 divided by omega times C, I get minus J500. So 1 over omega C, I get that is 500. So then this is going to be 400 minus J300. And I could convert that into polar form by taking the square root of 400 squared plus 300 squared. And then I'm going to have the phase here is going to be tan inverse of minus 300 over 400. So if I come over to my computer, I'm going to do NP, and I'm going to do, square root of 400 squared plus 400 squared plus 300 squared, and I'm going to get 500, and then I do, maybe I'll redo this whole thing. I'm going to stop